Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechTube. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find friends on Spotify. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you do that, on the bottom of your screen you can see options like home, search and your library. One way to go is select the search button and on the search bar type in the username of the friend. All you have to do is type in the correct name, then their profile will pop up and you have to tap on follow. Once they follow you back, you're gonna be friends. Now another way to go is to go to top left corner, tap on your view profile. There on the three dot menu, tap on it and tap on find friends. There they're gonna ask you to connect to Facebook. All you have to do is connect your profile to Facebook. Then on your screen you can find the friends on your Facebook who had Spotify. All you have to do is follow them, then they'll follow you back and you'll be friends on Spotify. And guys, that's it. That's how you find friends on Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.